Goldman Sachs warns 300 million jobs vanishing by 2027, not tomorrow, in 34 months. McKinsey data shows 44% of administrative roles face elimination. That's 47 million people worldwide. Google just deployed Gemini across 500,000 businesses. Your data entry job is already obsolete. Accounts payable processors in every Fortune 500 company are next. Deloitte tracked 94% of finance teams automating routine tasks right now. Customer service reps watch AI handle 70% of inquiries without human touch. Translation jobs disappeared in 2024. Your job could be next in 2025. If you process information for paycheck, your role is numbered. Automation doesn't care about experience or tenure. It cares about efficiency. Every penny saved is automated away. Your house payments depend on staying ahead of this curve. Your family's security depends on adaptation. Learn AI now or become obsolete by 2027. That's not prediction, that's mathematics. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.